Same way in academia. The audience of a professor are the students. Okay? But since the world is changing and there are new tools, okay, we can now, as professors, flip the burden of transmitting knowledge and getting feedback, okay, by using today's tools. So I will flip it by converting you, who used to be the audience, to become the content. Okay? So get your Android phone, you have 45 seconds to answer the question, what have you learned in the past 45 minutes that is useful for your final year of LCU? And then we will upload here. In a matter of 2 or 3 seconds, you become the content of the server. So the point being, because we have new tools, you can use videos that are 20 years old, or 2 years old, or 2 minutes old. So look at it as a video sales machine. If there's something worth sharing, so record, and then give back. Okay. Upload and share to everybody. Share the address, share the link, share the video. Okay, can we do that? 45 seconds to answer the question. Okay, I will weaken the discussion. Since you're all 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 13. There's 21 of you. Okay. Importantly, you record 45 seconds, and you will also select the best answer.